Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we've got this 2016 Ford Transit medium wheelbase tipper truck. This truck is available from as little as £98 per week, and also there is no VAT on this vehicle. It comes with a Bluetooth radio, is a factory body, a spare key, electric windows, is 6-speed, has had one owner from new, and once again there is no VAT on this vehicle. Let's take a look up front. Now up front you've got 3 seats, got your Bluetooth radio there and your 6-speed gear stick there, and just down here you've got your tipper controls. We will be showing you a demonstration of the tipper after the walk round. Now this is your factory body tipper bed right here. And lastly, I'll show you in the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the bonnet. Let's take a look. And now I'll show you the tipper. So we're now sat inside this 2016 Ford Transit medium wheelbase tipper truck. We're going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. Now as I said earlier, it's a 6-speed van, or truck rather. Has a really nice acceleration, it shifts through the gears really nicely as well. Has no issues getting up to a good speed either. Now as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake check. Brakes are really nice and responsive, and as you can see, the steering is really nice and responsive as well. And that's going to be it for the 2016 Ford Transit medium wheelbase tipper truck. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a nice day.